It has been one whole year since I started on YouTube. Now when I say I started on YouTube, when you look at my subscriber count, you wouldn't really call it being a YouTuber. Now I don't call myself a YouTuber, I don't turn around and say to people, my job is a YouTuber. It's not my job. I don't intend it to be my job at any time soon. Basically the reason I started the channel was because I moved to Malaysia with my wife and she was working. I wasn't working because I was letting her pursue her dream. She was doing a job she wanted, she got a job she loved, and I thought, I can't hold her back here. So I moved to Malaysia. I've applied for jobs, I've tried to work, but unfortunately there's nothing really I can do out here. So I decided I wanted to start making videos. I started literally with my phone, okay? I started making videos just on my phone and using Windows Movie Maker. That's literally how I started my channel. The first video was literally just, I couldn't think of anything to do, so I thought, how can I do this? I can show people where I live and sort of the prices of what it is like to live where I live. And I sort of started it about how it is living as an expat in Malaysia. But then I really thought, like, who cares about that? Living in this area, obviously, yeah, you're gonna have a few people, and the first video I think has about 3,000 views. I'm now at the point where I really wanted to do a travel vlog. A travel vlog seemed like a great idea. Loads of people want to travel. I travel around and I'm in a prime location to be able to travel around and do videos in different locations around Asia. People want to travel Asia, and I thought, what a great way to show people if people can come to my channel and have a look at what it's like. It started great, it started wonderfully. I booked the first trip and I thought, right, we're going to Australia. We flew to Sydney for New Year. Now unfortunately, I wasn't in the whole vlogger mindset, and when I arrived in Sydney, I realised I really wanted to enjoy my time there. I didn't want to walk around with a camera for 2 weeks. So I did the first video and then I didn't do anything after that. But it was a start. After that, I decided, right, so if my friends were going to Thailand, I thought, why not I fly up to Thailand? And I did 3 vlogs. Again, same situation. I wanted to enjoy myself. I also didn't get very well halfway through. I got a little bit sick when I was halfway through, so I was in bed for about 3 days. I did get some videos out. I got 3 videos out. Then COVID happened.
COVID-19.
COVID-19 cases.
From COVID-19, there is a virus.
Now, as a travel vlogger, when you can't travel, it's very, very, very difficult. So I started trying to aim in different directions. I started aiming at food, I started aiming at just the local areas for people to visit, and it did well. Some people had a look at it, but the hardest thing about being on YouTube is literally when you put hours into a video, you watch it back and you go, this is amazing, I really love this video and I hope other people will love it. I'm not interested in the money, I'm not interested in all this stuff. But when you put so much hours in and you only get like 300 views on your video, it really, really does hurt. And I can understand why people will give up after like 6 months. Now it's been 1 whole year since I started this channel, so we're gonna have a quick look back at some of the highlights of the last year. can see, guys, I've had some good times. I've been to visit some really cool places around Johor. I've looked at some cool places in Malaysia. One of my videos did the best it's done, and it's nearly 6,000 views, and I'm really happy about that. That's cool. Like it's a video. It was the tallest tower video. If you've not seen that, link in the description. Go and check that one out. It's about the second tallest tower in Malaysia, basically in KL. I'm hoping that 2021 is going to be a better year. Obviously, I'm saying this is 1 year on YouTube. Obviously, we were in lockdown for 6 months, so there's only so much vlogging I could do when you're sat in your house. I think I put about 2 videos out in those months. So I'm really hoping 2021 is going to be a fresh start, and it's going to be the new start of the channel. Thanks to everyone that has subscribed to the channel so far, and I hope you all enjoy it, and I hope you share it with your friends, and I hope you enjoy watching me on the camera. The other things that have come from YouTube, I've taken a love for making videos, and I'm hoping to turn that into a career, into content creation. I'm doing courses, I've upgraded my equipment, I've bought drones, I've updated my camera, I've bought GoPros, I've bought things, I've invested into the channel, I've invested into making the videos, and I've invested into hopefully doing some content creation in the future. I've started learning a bit about photography because I really enjoy taking videos, pictures. Guys, I hope 2021 is going to be better for every single person. I hope 2021 is a better year for the whole world, and I hope that we can go traveling in 2021 so I can actually start doing a travel vlog for this channel. Guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching it, and I'll see you all next time.